Hello everyone, it's Paul Poncet from the house Poncet.Poncet, affiliate CHRISTIE'S International for all Occitania, and today we are very pleased to show you a new exclusive property, which is a former farmhouse fully restored in the 19th century, set in a beautiful park. The property is ideally located between the legendary fortress of Carcassonne and the third largest city of France, Toulouse. Here we are in one of the vast salons of the historical property, and you can see some interesting historical features as the plafond à la française in wooden beam made in oak, and also the natural stone walls. The property is arranged in the form of a traditional longère and is divided into 3 fully independent homes. The main residence is the largest, offering 5 bedrooms and generous living spaces. The reception rooms of the property capture the spirit of the great bourgeois residence of the 19th century, typical of the Lauragais regions. Terracotta and traditional tomate floors, lime-rendered walls, exposed oak beams, and a large carved fireplace reflects the authenticity and atmosphere of the home. A second, more intimate house features 2 bedrooms, while the former caretaker's cottage also provides 2 additional bedrooms. Over the years, the current owners have carefully enhanced the property with discreet modern features, including double glazing and air conditioning, ensuring comfort while preserving the soul and character of the estate. Through its natural materials, soft light and balanced proportions, the property has preserved the quiet elegance of its period. Here we are in the park of the property, which is divided in 2 sections. Personally, we are in my favorite one, who offer you a very vast view on the swimming pool, and also you can have a look just behind on the very high cypress, who give you a little feel of Tuscany. Outside the property continues with several traditional outbuildings that reflects its agricultural past. A large former barn with its impressive timber framework gives a strong sense of the scale and history of the estate. Nearby the wood oven recalls simple and convivial moments shared with family and friends. Lower in the park, the swimming pool blends naturally into the surroundings, offering a peaceful sitting during the warmer months. Here is the end of our video tour. Thank you for watching and make us a chance to discover more historical property in all Occitania. We keep in touch and we see you soon for another video. Bye bye!